Perplexity just became the most downloaded app in India, and if you're a student, this might be the smartest free tool you are not using yet. Here's why it matters. Google gives you links, not answers. ChatGPT gives you answers, but not the latest ones. But Perplexity gives you both fresh, real-time info with sources and instant explanations. Now, here's the crazy part. Airtel has made Perplexity Pro free for an entire year, a tool that's worth 17,000 rupees now in your pocket for free. So what exactly can you use it for? ChatGPT 4 and Claude 3 for asking doubts and getting clear answers. Like stuck on a math derivation, ask it to break it step by step. Pro Search, real-time internet info with sources way better than Googling. Deep Search, for detailed research with multiple perspectives and well-structured answers. It's perfect for assignments or any debate prep. PDF Uploads, upload your textbook or notes and ask any questions directly. Don't want to read 40 pages? Upload your PDF and say, give me key points. Image Generations, create charts, diagrams, posters with just a single prompt. Interview Practice, even prep with the HR questions and mock answers. So try this tonight and open the Airtel Thanks app and activate the Perplexity Pro. Ask your toughest doubt, and if it saves your time, send this to your study group. They will thank you later.